Go home happy with the 2021 Jeep Compass. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy the adventure with confidence in the Compass. It offers the perfect blend of SUV versatility and state-of-the-art safety technology. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, 4x4, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Show them your style in the Compass. Get behind the wheel and go.